everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1967 Chevy Chevelle 350 underneath the hood. Beautiful red exterior with a black vinyl top, black interior, 4-speed. We got the bucket seats here. As you can see, most of our interior is pretty much stock. You got the old-fashioned speedometer, oil pressure, battery fuel gauge, etc. You also have the clock inside the console here. In fact, I didn't realize this. They do have an aftermarket temperature gauge, which really does help, especially down here in Florida. You never know how hot your car is going to get. But speaking of which, you never have to worry about overheating yourself, because this car was a factory AC vehicle. So which means if you ever want to have the old AC hooked up or vintage air, you don't have to worry about taking the whole fender apart. Guys, we're cruising up the road right now. It drives very smooth. Of course, with this old-fashioned steering wheel, it does hurt between my legs, although it's still a nice car to be in. And as you know, 67 was the last year before they changed it into the coupe style. And yeah, one of my favorite cars here. Anyway, we're gonna get her turned around as soon as we get out of this traffic, up on the lift. Stay tuned to see the underneath.